So after we did snapping dentures 6 months ago, how do you feel?
Wonderful. They are the best thing that ever happened to me.
Big
now
change.
I can smile. I have the confidence to go out and look for a job as a professional.
Good.
And I can greet life. I'm back to my old life. I can greet the world with a smile
Nice.
instead of being ashamed.
Oh, I love that. Being part of that big change, I want to thank you
You're welcome.
for trusting me and all the team to do things like that.
The whole team, everybody here is wonderful, and they care enough to keep doing it until they get it right.
Oh, thank you.
Over, no matter what.
Now you're
We're
part of the family.
important. Yes,
Yes.
part of the family.
Yay! Thank you.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Sherry. Bye. All the way to
Bye.
Florida, New Jersey, and then Florida.
New Jersey, Florida, Colorado, all over.
All over. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.